Frustration is everywhere right now. Joy is dead. Joy is dead. Subsidy is a fraud. Subsidy is a fraud of life. The solution that we need to, that Nigeria need to, the government of Nigeria have to do now is to build the 4 refinery. The palliative they are talking about is a scam. People are begging every day to get to their working place. As at this morning, in the process of protest, NYC students are even begging to get to their location. We are not living a normal life. There is nothing normal in Nigeria again. If care is not taken, in the next 1 week, if this issue of inflation continues, something bigger than EndSARS is going to shock the world. Mr. President in Aso Rock, you are watching us live. You are looking at us.
Prices are closing down. We have a situation as it is today that the Nigerian people have no other choice than to rise. And we want to commend the Nigerian Labour Congress for taking it upon itself to lead this action out. And as we are moving out today, you can see it. Massively workers came in their thousands, both the Nigerian Labour Congress and the Trade Union Congress. And you know, for the doubting Thomases, it is the point of no return, because we are having a situation that even a day after the president have addressed, thousands, hundreds of thousands of workers are outside to say, Mr. President, whatever you have said, we need you to fix the refineries first. 2, we also need you to reverse all the anti-people policies, the total deregulation of the fuel, the Naira devaluation as it is today. They said they are floating the Naira. The Naira is a paper that is already sinking, and you can get to the situation whereby it's almost 1,000 Naira per pound and over 800 Naira per dollar. So the history of Naira, of devaluation, currency devaluation, dates back to 1919 when the German mark was devalued. It got to a stage that the crisis had to produce the fascist regime, the Nazism of Adolf Hitler. So the reason why the Nigerian workers are out today is that Nigeria must not totally degenerate into barbarism. Nigeria must not totally degenerate into chaos. Nigeria is already at war, but we do not need an entrenched economic war as it is. And also, you find a situation whereby the government officials have taken about 114% increment in salaries. But there is no minimum wage rising. As it is today, a lot of governments, state governments, have not even paid the 30,000 minimum. And so, the demands of the Nigerian Labour Congress are the demands of the Nigerian people. And you also see in those demands the fact that the increment in school fees, UNILAG, UNIJOS, UNIBENC, is totally rejected as one of the demands. So, I will recap that we reject all anti-masses, anti-poor demands or policies of government, total devaluation, total deregulation. We reject all of it in entirety. We also reject the increment in school fees, the taking away of education out of the reach of the average poor persons. You know, the student loan itself is a scam, just like subsidy itself is a scam. So Nigerians are rising against all of the anti-poor policies of the President Tinubu government. And this is just a tip of the iceberg.